SoftStartRV installation for DuoTherm air conditioner. There are 10 steps to install. Suggest that you print these steps. Before the installation, please confirm your AC turns on and cools. Next step, turn off all power at the breaker switch first. Number 3, connect the yellow wire from the SoftStartRV to the HRM terminal on the run capacitor. Connect the black wire from the SoftStartRV to the C terminal on the run capacitor. Number 5, cut the white wire from the capacitor and splice the side from the compressor to the blue wire from the SoftStartRV and tape off the other end of the white wire going to the run cap. Number 6, locate the blue wire from the compressor and measure about 10 inches and cut it. Splice the section of the blue wire from the compressor to the brown wire from the SoftStartRV. Splice the other part of the blue wire section to the red wire from the SoftStartRV. Number 7, locate the red wire on the run capacitor terminal that connects to the PTCR and cut it and tape it. Number 8, when done, check the connections, then turn on the power. Lower the thermostat and turn on the fan first. Then turn on the AC. Number 9, do not run the unit more than 5 minutes with the covers off because the air is bypassing the condenser and will overheat in about 10 minutes. Number 10, if you see the green light on the SoftStartRV and feel the compressor running, then close up all electric boxes and reinstall all covers and let the unit run for 30 minutes as a final check. This is the DuoTherm wiring diagram. Suggest you print it before getting on the roof. Open the air conditioner cover. All the installation is done inside the cover of the air conditioner on top of the roof. The first step is to turn off the power to the RV. Secondly, the cover is held in place with 4 screws, 2 on each end. Remove the 4 screws and remove the cover. Place the cover and screws out of the way so you can safely work on the air conditioner. Locating and recognizing the compressor. The compressor is shown in the photo. The red arrow points to the cap over the compressor wiring. Do not remove this cap for installation. Follow the 3 wires from the cap. Follow the black wire pointed to by the yellow arrow until the wires exit the black wire jacket. The wires are red, blue, and white. The red and white wires lead to the run capacitor inside the electric box. Follow the wires to the electric box in your air conditioner. Note, the wires may not have a black wire jacket like this picture and can exit the compressor cap as 3 separate wires colored blue, white, and red. Run capacitor terminals. All air conditioners use a split-style run capacitor as shown in the picture. Terminal identifiers are usually stamped into the top of the capacitor. The C terminal or common terminal has several white wires plugged into it. That's the blue arrow. The HRM terminal has 1 or more red wires connected to it. That's the red arrow. Although not visible, the fan terminal is also labeled and has a single brown wire connected to it in some cases. One suggested mounting location is see the red box. It can also be mounted vertically next to the electric box with the wire exit on the bottom. Always install SoftStartRV with the wire exit parallel to the ground or pointing down. Never install SoftStartRV with the wire exit pointing up as it may collect moisture. Another view on how to install the SoftStartRV in one of these locations. First, figure out where you will install the SoftStartRV unit. Then, before you tape the unit to the spot, proceed with the wiring steps next. Red and yellow arrows point to 2 different locations to install. After the wiring is completed, then secure the SoftStart unit into its place. Clean the surface of the mounting location with the alcohol pad included in the installation kit. After the wiring is completed, peel the tape seal on the back of the unit and mount the box. Screws are provided to in the install kit to secure and eliminate the loosening due to vibration. Never mount the SoftStartRV in the hot air exhaust from the condenser fan. Making the connections, we suggest 3 points. Recommend you use only end splice connectors for connecting one wire to another. Due to vibration, wire nuts can come off. If you must use wire nuts, be sure to tape them into place. Use connectors in the install kit provided. Don't use automotive connectors because they are not rated for line voltage. So let's get started with connecting the yellow wire from the SoftStartRV to the HERM terminal on the run capacitor. See the red arrow. Next, connect the black wire from the SoftStartRV to the C terminal on the run capacitor. See the yellow arrow. Cut the white wire from the compressor and splice the side from the compressor to the blue wire from the SoftStartRV. See the green arrow. Tape off the other end of the white cut wire going to the run cap. Continuing, let's locate the blue wire from the compressor and measure about 10 inches and cut it. See the red arrow. Splice the section of the blue wire from the compressor to the brown wire from the SoftStartRV. See the red arrow. Splice the other part of the blue wire section to the red wire from the SoftStartRV. See the yellow arrow. Locate the red wire on the run capacitor terminal that connects to the PTCR and cut and tape it. See the green arrow. Last 3 steps. When done, check the connections, then turn on the power. Lower the thermostat and turn on the fan first, then turn on the AC. Do not run the unit more than 5 minutes with the covers off because the air is bypassing the condenser and will overheat in about 10 minutes. Thirdly, if you see the green light on the SoftStartRV and feel the compressor running, then close up all electric boxes and reinstall all covers and let unit run for 30 minutes as a final check.